Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Buick Encore Premium. It's got 20,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. Quicksilver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, first thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. Right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome inserts on the door handles. The driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It is an all-wheel drive. It's got your rear park assist and rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Does have the blind spot monitoring. Alright, that's what that little symbol right here is. When that lights up, you got a car in your blind spot, don't make a lane change. Alright, well, once again, it's a 2016. It's got 20,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Bose audio, nice gray carpet. Alright, it's got memory seats. It's a power driver's seat with the black leather trim with the gray leather inserts. Alright, driver's seat looks good. Comes with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat also looks good. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your lane departure warning here and your park assist here. It's got heated steering wheel, dual climate controls, heated seats, CD player, navigation, AM/FM radio. It's going to have your backup camera, radio display, and navigation right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And then it's going to have your collision alert button right here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the miles. All right, it's got 20,353 miles. Go ahead and show you your display screen here. It's got all your apps. Okay, we'll go ahead and get the navigation activated. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, got the heated steering wheel, heated seats. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels look good. Back seat cloth's in good shape. All right. Back seat leather looks good. No issues at all back here. Got the center armrest that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. All right, got the convenient sunshade here. Carpet's nice and clean. Got the spare tire under there. Okay. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Buick Encore Premium. Only 20,000 miles on it. It's still under factory warranty. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Got all the bells and whistles you want. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.